If for any reason, installed apps icon have disappeared from BlueStacks home screen, you need to install a third-party home screen app. For that, open Play Store. Then search for Nova Launcher. If Play Store is missing from your home screen, simply search Nova Launcher here on the search bar. From here, select Search in Google Play. Then click on Install. After the installation completes, open the app. Then go through the setup process. Now click on Home icon. Then select Nova Launcher. Click on Home icon again and select Always. This will make it default home app. Now simply hold and drag your BlueStacks screen up. Here you will find all the apps that have missing icon on the home screen of your BlueStacks. Now to take the missing icon to home screen, click and hold the app icon. Then release it on the home screen. If you want to remove any icon, you can click and hold the icon, then click on Remove. If you want to revert back to default home app, go to Settings, then select Defaults. Now click on Home app, then select the default home app. This brings you back to the default home screen. Thanks for watching. Hope the video was helpful. Have a good time.